In this video, I will show you how to play chess variants on chess.com. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm currently here on chess.com. Now, if you're not already, what you're going to want to do first is come ahead and log into your account. And once you're logged in, the next thing to do is come across this menu on the left hand side and you want to hover over play. Now once you hover over play, you're going to get an additional menu come up and you can see full player and variants, the option here. So what you want to do is click onto this. Now from here what you can do is go ahead and choose a variant to enter. If you hover over the different variants, you can see the type of game that you will be playing. So what you can also do is come up to the lobby in the top here, and what you can do is find even more open challenges, and what you can do is even hover over the question mark next to each challenge to get the information and additional rules for that game. Of course, if you want to play any variant, just go ahead and press the green play button next to the one that you want to play. And what you can also do is watch different variants being played. So if you come up to this menu here at the top and click onto watch, and what you can do is actually choose to view any of these variants. So this one at the top, for example, you can see the little watch icon here. So what you would do is click onto this and you can go ahead and spectate that game. You can see it currently in progress. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.